going to remove the fuel line from the tank. To do that, you're going to pull up on that silver collar and then pull down on this guy right here, and it'll remove that fuel line. We're going to remove the tank. To do that, we're first going to remove the seat. We'll just remove that guy here, pull the seat up, and then we'll unbolt the tank. To remove the tank, you're going to need to remove this hardware here. You'll need to pull this guy down from the tank, and then you'll also see a connector that you're going to have to disconnect. One more piece of hardware you're going to have to remove up front. To remove the fuel line on a Harley 1200 Sportster that's fuel injected, all you have to do is just remove this bolt right here. We're going to take the retaining clip off, pull this right up. All right, we have the bolt removed. You can see right here. Just going to take, I'm going to remove the retaining piece, set it aside, and the fuel line you should just be able to pull up right here, and it should just pop right off. There you go. Now when you do this, you probably want to put something right here so you don't get anything down in there. And before we snap everything back together, what I'm going to do is spray some penetrating lube inside that collar piece, and then you just want to rotate it around. My mechanic also said take you a little bit of grease and grease this male fitting here, and you can see we did that already. We're ready to put the tank on and hook everything up.